Hey YouTube fans, Noah here. Sorry I couldn't come with Mom today. I came with my dad in the truck, but Mom's car is gone. So just came to hang out for 3 hours until 6 o'clock. And Miss Payne just suddenly texted. So let's do this, everybody. Now, as I was saying, 3, 2, 1. Cooling.
I think she might be busy.
Hold on. Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
Hi, guys.
Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
my mommy.
Hey. Hi, buddy.
What's up? You're chilling?
What?
You're chilling?
I'm just chilling at my house.
I knew you always chilling.
But I'm getting ready to take Connor to go bowling.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I've been bowling.
You have?
Yeah.
Do you like bowling?
Yep.
Good.
Did you know that I was watching my videos?
I thought the Howard Boy series community. Talk to Howard Boy, Dad series.
Yeah, I see you calling me.
So I was like, you like to joke.
Here's Noah.
Hey, it's 5, 4.
Who are you talking to this time? Me.
Fun. I win. Hey.
Here.
I can make it out. You do. We're going to get 100 on mine next.
Oh, guys, just no Evelyn today. Just me and Noah today. So, yeah. But I hope that everyone will come over to my house on Sunday next week. That's what I told y'all last video. So yeah. But today it's just me and Noah today. So that's all.
Yeah. Well, YouTube fans, Howard Boy said no ice cream till the 18th. So I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, guys, here's my neighbor James. That's a helicopter. What are you doing? Packing stuff?
Yeah, so we can move.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Yep.
Well, until July though.
Huh?
I thought you were gonna move until July.
Yeah, we're moving in July, but still, I got a lot of stuff to pack up.
Oh man.
It ain't gonna pack itself up.
Oh my.
It take a long time, huh?
Yeah,
Man.
yeah.
Well, at least next week. Well, ice cream is coming out next week
Yep.
on Thursday. I told Noah, I was like, why is he coming over? He said, ice cream, you remember? I told him, I said, no, that's next week.
Yep.
It's next Thursday, not this week.
Right.
So, yep. There's a police car. It's there, guys. He's home. Yeah.
Hey YouTube fans. I'm at Howard Boy House, staying for 3 hours. But let me tell y'all something. That's my dad in the truck. Sorry I couldn't bring my mother, but next Sunday I will. Thank you.
What? Well, I hope it's not gonna rain, but it looks like that it's gonna rain on Sunday, but I hope the weather changes. So yeah. That's the dog over there barking. So yeah.
Yep, that's the same kind.
So yeah.
Where's Dawn?
Yeah. Yeah, it's the kid or child or something.
I was born that small. Hey YouTube fans, hold on. Sorry about that YouTube fans. Anyway, what's up? So, Highway Boy told me to comment, so I've already commented. So thanks to him. Okay, you know what YouTube fans? Copyright, I'll block it. Now you both are happy? Okay. I am now, man. Hey, let me speak this. Hey YouTube fans, Noah here. About to cool Highway Boy. Now. I see you calling me. There. What's up? Oh, 5 o'clock. Hey YouTube fans, it's 5 o'clock. It's time for my mom to get off work. There. Work. Highway Boy's house. Tell her that at 6. You know what, guys? I just got my air horn. I still had Noah. It's loud. It's loud. Yeah. Yep. Noah likes that noise. The can got pretty cold a little bit, so I had to wait for it to cool down. So yeah. What's up? Mr. Holiday. What's up, Mr. Holiday?
Hey, good to see you.
Hey, good to see you.
How we doing now? Okay.
Guess what?
Good, doing good.
Okay,
Yeah.
buddy. All right, good stuff. Good to see you. You guys having fun yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You doing a video for putting on
YouTube? Yeah.
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 I'm with Mr. Holiday now.
All right.
Yeah.
Hunter, the man.
Yeah.
The
You see-
legend.
You see my dad at Walmart today?
Every time I go there, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you do.
He's the manager, isn't he?
I guess so.
Yeah. All right, guys, I gotta get back to work.
All right. Bye, Mr. Holiday.
Bye, Mr. Holiday.
What came in the mail today? Oh, great. The speeder's coming back. Let's see if Pat Girl will cover these nuts. Apple AirPods, let's go.
I had some people over there.
Really?
What?
Car! Hey! Oh, man! Thank you. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Go.
Go, go.
Now he can be able to get through. It was a food truck over there. Yeah.
Hold on. What is going on over there?
I don't know.
Hold on. We gotta, hold on. Hold on. We gotta go.
There's a car coming.
Car.
Good.
Hi, Gary. Yeah, we're out here walking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're coming.
See if Packer will cover this right.
Yeah.
Yes! You need to slow down. Ooh, rice to meat.
Hey, YouTube fans, we have to get back quick so we can meet up with Jerry. Because I'm fast.
Cool, slow down.
Hope you like these wieners, ding dong. Ah, wiener boy. 93 miles per hour, not in my neighborhood.
Hey everybody, Noah here. I forgot to tell y'all this. So every Sunday, Mom wants to come in here and get me a little early every Sunday before 6 o'clock. And she's definitely okay with it. Well, that's her pulling up now. So, well, YouTuber fans, I have to go now. Well, that's all we have for today. Please subscribe to Howard Boys channel. Click on the bell, press the like button, and turn on notifications. We will see you in the next one. Until then, peace out. What do you say?
Peace out. Bye.
Bye.
See you on Sunday.
See you on Sunday.
And there he goes.